Okay, we've let our eyes sit up and dry good. So we got the eyes are in. See in the back, you can see back there we got that all hardened up, so that's going to hold good. So what we're going to do is we're going to attach our mouth to make sure our mouth doesn't catch anymore. Because once you paint it, sometimes just that little thickness of the paint might cause it to catch. So you might have to sand it a little bit in here. You might have to sand a little bit out here to get some of that paint off. So we're going to get the head attached, and I'm going to be using Johnson's paste wax here. And we're going to put some paste wax on here. This just helps it to slide. So periodically you might have to do this. Just use a Q-tip to squeeze in on the sides to do that. We'll put some up here on the teeth, so the paint that we have on there doesn't catch. So we'll do that, and then we'll take some. We'll also put it on the inside here. So I say we take a Q-tip, cut it down, and you can squeeze it in there. So you don't have to take the head off to do it if you need to. But you may have to eventually. We'll put a little wax here. This just helps so the paint doesn't, it sets up for a while. The paint might tend to want to stick a little bit. So we're going to hook our mouth up, make sure the mouth's working okay before we seal it. We're going to take our 24-inch piece of nylon string here. We're going to tie that back here. So to keep this from coming undone, then I'll take this and I'll put a staple in it to hold it. That'll keep it from coming undone on you. We have our 3-inch spring we're going to use. We have the mouth hooked up, so we're going to check it. You want to make sure this is working properly on you before you seal it up, because you don't want to have to take it all apart and start over. Spring hooked up in here. I think we're going to be okay. So now we'll screw the back of the mouth on here. This is a very important part. You want to make sure that you don't have anything blocking your mouth from opening and closing correctly. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. okay. It doesn't seem to be catching anywhere. We'll also take a little wax and put it on our 1/2-inch dowel up here. It just will help your string to slide better. Test. Okay, that's working properly. That's what we want. Free and easy. Last thing we'll do is we have our 1-inch ring that we're going to put on here. And I use 24 inches of nylon string, so it can be adjusted up or down depending on what your preference is. And I find the ring works really well for either hand. Thumb or forefinger works great. So there we go. So now we got our head together. Mouth opens and closes good. So now what we'll do is we can put the back of the head on and get ready to attach our wig. Thanks for watching.